If your home freezer looks like mine and you're always trying to find ways to jam more stuff in there, get a chest freezer. This is a small one that the company sent to me to check out. It was very well packaged. There was no damage to it. And all I had to do to get it out of here was to cut a little door in the side. It opens up and you can just slide it right out. And it is sitting on a little base that you have to wiggle it out from, but the packaging was really good. There was no damage. It was very easy to set up. And really, all you have to do is plug this thing in. It's very quiet. I plugged it in and I was listening to see how loud it was. It really is not loud at all. So it's easy to leave this in your kitchen if you want to just leave it in the kitchen to have it accessible, or you could put it in the garage or the basement, whatever's most convenient. The lid does lift up to a 90-degree angle and it will stay there without slamming on your fingers. So that's a plus. And you can just place it wherever you want. The energy guide says that it costs about 7 cents a day to run. It does have the manual that comes with it, but really all you need to do is plug it in. It works without doing anything tricky, and everything is packaged so that it's not going to move around in transit. And once you get these off, you can see that the inside has a deep capacity for storage. There is a drain in the bottom if you ever want to clean it out. And it's all you have to do is plug it in. Seriously, it goes from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 6.8. You can adjust it to be cooler or a little warmer, but keep it around 0. If you want to clean it out at any point, just unscrew this little drain on the outside and any water that has melted will come out. Very easy, nothing you need to do. And you can put a lot of stuff in here. I was loading this thing up and there's a good storage capacity inside for things that you don't use too much. You can put it in the deeper part. For things that you are going to be using more often, you can put them in little baskets. You can leave the baskets out if you just want to load it up, or you can put the baskets in the top. It's an attractive freezer, so you can leave it inside and it won't be an eyesore in your kitchen. It looks nice and it's definitely excellent for storage. I would highly recommend that you get one of these if you don't have one because they're very useful.